This is an alert regarding a website named PLR Ebook Supplier. This website pretends to be us and tries to copy us illegally. The real original website is PLR Ebook Provider. I'll leave you the link in the description. Be very careful. If someone offers you a PLR franchise today and is not authorized to do so, you will be an accomplice to fraudulent action and your website will be deleted. Austin Chad from PLR Ebook Supplier is not an authorized PLR franchise distributor. If you go to Domain Age Checker and analyze the age of both websites, you'll see that ours was online long before, so you can be sure. The real website is PLR Ebook Provider and it's managed by Rick Landry, the sole inventor and legal distributor of the PLR franchise. Become a PLR e-commerce owner with peace of mind. Aim for longevity and start a permanent career with us. Visit the official website, the link is in the description.